Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates now. Today, yes, it is just coming up to 8:30 in the morning here in Melbourne. It is the 10th of June. And I'm getting a video in early because I've got a massive day today, especially with Earncurve trying to get this incredible feature activated. I do have my morning espresso, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. In regards to the news, we have some updates in relation to the SEC. There was a crypto roundtable that took place. Solana as well, doing incredible things. Just checking my headphones right here that they're set, which they are, which is awesome. Sorry, guys. XRP did get listed on the NASDAQ, which is nice to see that finally. BlackRock is buying a lot of Ethereum. We do have a crypto founder that's been charged for money laundering. This is one of the most important reasons for KYC. Ripple SBI is going big on Circle. And yes, Bitcoin did hit just above 110,000 US dollars, but we'll get into that, ladies and gents. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting very interesting in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find ladies and gentlemen do that. So make sure you give it a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You rock. Also, little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research, all right? Sorry, guys, it's still early. Coming over to the community tab, you can add Earncurve to your home screen on your, of course, iOS device, Android, whatever you have, you can do that. So go do that. I've done it and it looks amazing. Thank you to those of you that have signed up as well. I appreciate it. We're going to get to that in a second. The roundtable news, let's have a look. Tokyo fashion retailer embracing Bitcoin. That's ANAP Holdings. Spot trading hits a 5-year low. We're about to change that. I'm just putting it out there with Earncurve in the software. Chainlink powers central bank digital currency stablecoin pilot program. I'm not bullish on central bank digital currencies. Coinbase faces user backlash. There's been a lot of people with frozen accounts, so I hope you guys can get that resolved. That's not good. US and China trade talks fuel volatility, upcoming US trade talks in London. So that's very interesting to see that. The XRP ledger has been burning tokens as well, 13.9 million of them. So very, very interesting to see that. And of course, we have XRP joining the NASDAQ Crypto Index. It's just the freaking beginning. So I'm absolutely bullish on that. And of course, we have the Bitcoin volatility, which is interesting, going from 400% to 80%, reflecting its maturation as an asset. So it's been pretty stable, okay? It has been. Coming over to CoinMarketCap, we do have 3.42 trillion US dollars today. We do have 3.24%, which is nice. So that's good to see that. The fear and greed index is sitting at neutral, as you can see right here. We do have Bitcoin ETFs at negative 47.8 million. And Ethereum sitting at 25.3 million. Michael Saylor did buy up 110, I believe it was, million US dollars in Bitcoin. Coming over to my watch list, emails have not stopped. Top crypto ETFs, Sui, Ethereum, Hedera, Dogecoin, Cardano, Bitcoin, Solana, Trump, and Chainlink. Sui's doing incredibly well. Bitcoin sitting at 110,233 US dollars today. Ethereum to 2,663. XRP's at $2.32, which is nice. Solana's at $159 USD. Sui's at $3.44. Chainlink is up $14.37. XLM 27 cents. Hedera at 17 cents as well. It's nice to see HBAR. I think it's going to be an incredible project, I'm just saying. Moving on, I'm getting through this quick. Earncurve, yes, thank you very much to those of you that have signed up and registered an account on the exchange. The wait list is one thing. I mean, that was building up to this because I didn't, obviously have the platform registered and so forth. So if you have joined the wait list, convert that and join the actual exchange, register an account on here. You will need to do that in order to access this trading software, okay? I just want to say thank you to all of you that have provided your documents such as passport, driver's license, and of course, proof of address. That and allows myself to KYC whoever's on the platform. That's very important. So make sure you go do that as well. If you haven't done so, you can upload the documents. If you have any issues, just send an email. You can go to the contact us page right down the bottom. As you can see right there is an email us page. And feel free to have a play around on the website. Just wanted to say also, thank you very much to those of you that have donated to this. And those of you that have been applied a discount on your account. And I will be removing this very soon as well because the software that's going live on this is going to revolutionize the crypto space. So just wanted to say thank you very much to all of you. So make sure you go register an account, earncurveinvest.com. And yes, go get a copy of Money Never Sleeps. This has nothing to do with cryptocurrency, but it is, something that I'm very passionate about that provides passive income, and it is helping me in my life at the moment. So this takes years, but once you get this up and running, it snowballs, which is amazing. So passive income through dividend investing. There are so many books on the market at the moment for this in terms of finance and investing in the stock market, but none of them talk about this. And that is the reason why I wrote it. So go get a copy of it at the Wall Street Bull Official. Moving on to the news, let's get into it. SEC may grant industry green light. I'm just watching my screen at the moment because sometimes it does freeze. Now again, speaking at the SEC headquarters for Crypto Task Force, you can see the final roundtable in its spring Sprint Towards Clarity program. Atkins suggested that the federal regulator may offer immediate innovation-friendly framework with regard to blockchain sector as a whole, which is nice to see that. And while the commission and its staff work to propose fit-for-purpose rules of the road for on-chain financial markets, I have directed the staff to consider conditional exemptive relief framework or innovative exemption that would expeditiously allow registrants and non-registrants to bring on-chain products and services to market. So this is exactly what Brad Garlinghouse was talking about for years, and it's finally happening right now. And I mean years, guys. Solana is holding above the $152 mark, which is nice. And again, as the second round of US-China trade talks raises hopes for crypto market calm, which is nice. I mean, I'm very bullish on Solana, and you can see it's climbed from $148 USD to $155 before pulling back. And I'm not even worried about that because I know the true utility of Solana. I'm just saying. Biggest news today is this, and I wanted to get into this, but NASDAQ's decision to expand its crypto US settlement price index now includes XRP and Cardano, Solana, and XLM, some of the banking coins, right? Which is nice, broadening the index beyond its previous focus on only Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the update went into effect on the 2nd of June 2025, marking a pivotal development for Ripple XRP news and as a long-term institutional outlook. And this is incredible, but the index tracked by Hashdex NASDAQ Crypto Index US ETF NCIQ, which currently provides market cap weighted exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum under the existing US SEC exchange guidelines. The ETF cannot yet hold XRP or the newly added assets due to regulatory limitations. So it's only a matter of time. Okay, so it's very exciting to see that. BlackRock is buying up a significant amount of Ethereum coming down right here. You can see the spot Ethereum exchange traded funds, or ETFs, marked their fourth straight week of net inflows, adding 97,800 Ethereum, pushing the total holdings to 3.7 million Ethereum. That is a significant amount. So very incredible to see that, ladies and gents. There has been a crypto founder who's been charged for laundering $500 million to Russian banks. This is what I'm talking about. This stuff needs to stop, but I mean, it's never going to stop. This is why KYC is so important for everybody to understand that when stuff like this happens, it shouldn't, and it shouldn't happen around the world. I mean, we've been through this so much. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry, guys. My stomach's rumbling, but that's okay. We're fasting. It just shouldn't happen around the world. I mean, we've been through this hazy phase for so many years in crypto. It needs to stop. SBI Holdings is going very big on, I guess, Circle, the IPO listed company, which is, USDC. Ripple's partner SBI Holdings reported the strategic investment in 50 million Circle initial public offering, which is nice. And the company highlighted its partnership with many companies, including Ripple, Labs, Circle in the crypto space. SBI revealed an active promotion of the partnership with Circle in anticipation for regulatory easing in Japan, which is nice to see that. Let's get into X, guys, and we'll get it and move on from here because I've got a flat out day today trying to get the exchange rocking, ladies and gents. Thank you very much to those 9,073 people. You guys rock. Yes, go add earn curve to your home screen. The Bitcoin money supply is like clockwork. As you can see right here, there was a pullback, and we did see that last week, and now it's just rising. So could we see it going to 136,000 US dollars very soon? I think so. Yes, Michael Saylor did come out over the weekend, I should say on Friday, on CNBC, stating that Bitcoin's going to potentially hit $13 million. It could hit the market cap of gold. Kathy Wood has said it. They're all saying it. So again, it is part of my portfolio. There was $110 million worth of Bitcoin shorts liquidated. So go easy on the leverage because that's what happens. Strategy did acquire 1,045 Bitcoin for $110 million. Dubai hit $399 million in tokenized real estate sales in May this year. 17.4% of all deals, which is incredible. UAE is very innovative, and that is why a lot of crypto people move over there because they're so forward thinking, and I can't wait to get back to the UAE. Paul Atkins, we're going to have a listen to this and we'll end up on this, guys.
Another core feature of blockchain technology is the ability of individuals to have self-custody of crypto assets in a personal digital wallet. The right to have self-custody of one's private property is a foundational American value that should not disappear when one logs on to the internet. I'm in favor of affording greater flexibility to market participants to self-custody crypto assets, especially where intermediation imposes unnecessary transaction costs or restricts the ability to engage in staking and other on-chain activities.
That's bullish, really bullish news, guys. It really is because, staking for us is, revolutionized crypto. You can get a return on your investment. It's like the stock market with dividend investing, but I can't wait for that to be approved here in Australia, but I highly doubt that because staking is not allowed. But anyway, guys, go join Earn Curve. I really appreciate all of you. I've got some big things coming this week, and I just wanted to get a video in early. Have a good day, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much to all of you, and go register an account on Earn Curve. Make sure you KYC, because honestly, I've got some big things coming this week. Fingers crossed. Stay bullish, guys. I'm out. I'm going to have another coffee. I'll speak to everyone soon, all right? Take care of yourselves. Bye.